I'm fine. Siguro over the years, nasanay na rin ako sa, may malaking advantage ako. Dahil yung father ko naging presidente.
Yes.
So for 20 years, napapanood ko siya. Sabi ko, alam ko pa, ang hirap na trabaho ito. So you have to learn to manage it. Una akong umupo, ayaw kong mag-break. Kasi ang daming trabaho eh. Pero you have to teach yourself na kailangan mo mag-break.
Yes.
Kasi you're not as clear in your thinking when you start to get tired, o hindi ba? Or you're not as fast. And I've always been, ang sistema ko, pag may malaking problema, my approach is always like this. I said, learn everything about the problem. Then go away and do something else. Do something completely different na hindi mo maiisip.
Yes.
You come back, usually you have a new idea. Usually that works for me. So you have to take that break somehow. I don't mean vacation, 2 months vacation. I'm talking about taking 3 hours off, right? And doing something, I don't know, listen to music or make cuento with your kids or something. But something different. I've been through hell and high water. You know, I don't panic anymore. I don't, hindi na ako natataranta. So that's my advantage. I'm here to serve. I'm not here for myself. I'm not here for, you know, but I really think that there are many things that I could do. And I say, you're not yet doing it. Di mo pa natatapos. Go, 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 go. Keep doing it. Keep working, keep working, keep working. Kulang pa, kulang pa, kulang pa. At saka, ang katotohanan dyan, lagi naman magiging kulang yan eh. Kahit ilang taon mo na trinabaho yan, kulang pa rin yan. Kasi hindi nagtatapos yung trabaho. But never mind, you just have to keep going. You have to keep going until you drop.
So, every public role po requires a sacrifice. What do you think? Or ano po yung sa tingin nyo, yung nilet go po ninyo when you became the president? Nga na-miss nyo po ngayong gawin, na hindi nyo na po nagagawa since naging presidente na po kayo?
Tulog.
Parang hindi lang presidente yung
Mahirap matulog. Mahirap buuhin yung tulog. Dahil, kung minsan matatapos ka ng late, pero kahit na matapos ka ng late, mayroon pang kaunting gagawin na kailangan kang basahin para mag-ready sa the next day. Tapos, dahil marami ka masyadong iniisip, pagka nagising ka, may some noise or something, o kinagat ka ng lamok or whatever, paggising mo, ang hirap nang bumalik sa tulog kasi papasok na naman sa isip mo yung mga kailangan gawin, yung mga paano kung ganito mangyari, paano kung ganyan magkaplano, plano.